Some time ago, the global automotive world was officially introduced to the BYD Sea Lion 07. And let us be completely honest right from the start. At first glance, it is an absolutely gorgeous piece of machinery. When it rolled onto the stage, it was immediately clear that BYD had not just created another generic electric crossover. They had crafted a direct, unapologetic, and highly aggressive rival to the Tesla Model Y. Designed specifically for the global market, with its sweeping, aerodynamic roofline, the striking Ocean X front fascia, and a stance that commands absolute attention on the road, it promises premium luxury from the very first second you lay eyes on it. When you approach the vehicle, the flush door handles present themselves, and as you step inside, you are greeted by an environment that feels more like a high-end executive lounge than a traditional family SUV. The beautifully stitched Napa leather seats, the massive panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with natural light, and the ultra-high-definition displays create a driving experience that aims to completely redefine the crossover segment. It looks fantastic. It feels incredibly premium, and it drives like an absolute dream. It is a car that makes you want to pack your bags and go for a long drive simply for the sake of driving. However, if we only focus on the aesthetics, the leather, and the comfort, we are falling for the greatest deception in the modern automotive industry. You see, the Western media and traditional automotive journalists have been completely distracted by how comfortable the Sea Lion 07 is. They have spent hours praising its premium cabin, the ambient lighting, and the smooth ride. But whilst everyone was busy admiring the infotainment system, BYD was quietly hiding a devastating mechanical secret underneath the floorboards. The car they originally showed the world was a Trojan horse. What they have actually unleashed onto the streets right now is hiding the brand new E-Platform 3.0 Evo. This isn't just a comfortable family SUV designed to take the kids to school. It is a mechanical predator designed to destroy legacy automakers. To understand why this beautiful, comfortable crossover has engineers in Germany and America in absolute panic mode, we have to look past the luxury and conduct some real forensic engineering. Because the secret to the Sea Lion 07's massive interior space, its whisper-quiet cabin, and its terrifyingly smooth acceleration lies in a piece of technology that no one else in the world currently possesses. It is time to look beneath the surface. When you sit behind the wheel of the Sea Lion 07, the very first thing you notice, before you even press the start button, is the sheer abundance of space. The legroom in the rear is vast, allowing adult passengers to stretch out completely on long journeys. The boot space is cavernous, and the entire cabin feels airy, uncluttered, and totally unrestrictive. For a crossover of this specific exterior footprint, the interior packaging feels like absolute magic. But let me assure you, it isn't magic. It is ruthless, uncompromising engineering. In a traditional electric vehicle from European or American brands, the mechanical components are scattered everywhere like an afterthought. You have the electric motor sitting on the axle, the heavy inverter bolted somewhere else, and the massive charging modules taking up vital space under the bonnet or eating directly into the cabin floor structure. All of these separate, isolated boxes are connected by thick, heavy, and hot copper cables. That chaotic mechanical mess steals your legroom, raises the floor height, and adds annoying, high-frequency electrical vibrations to the cabin. BYD's solution to this packaging nightmare was the introduction of the world's first mass-produced 12-in-1 electric drive system. They took 12 critical high-voltage systems, including the drive motor, the motor controller, the vehicle control unit, the battery management system, the power distribution unit, and the onboard charger, and they fused them all into one single, incredibly compact aluminum block. I want you to truly consider the implications of this. By doing this, they eliminated meters of heavy copper wiring and completely freed up the chassis. That is exactly why the cabin of the Sea Lion 07 feels so exceptionally large. By shrinking the mechanical footprint of the car down to an absolute minimum, BYD took that physical space back from the machines and gave it directly to the driver and the passengers. But the benefits of this 12-in-1 integration go far beyond just extra legroom and boot space. Because this system is so remarkably compact and perfectly integrated, it shares a single, highly efficient liquid cooling loop. This drastically reduces thermal hotspots and dramatically cuts down on mechanical vibrations. When you are cruising down the motorway at 70 miles per hour, the cabin remains dead silent. There is no electrical whining, no harsh mechanical feedback through the steering wheel, and no vibration through the pedals. You are treated to a smooth, luxurious, whisper-quiet ride, all powered by an engineering masterpiece hidden completely out of sight. Of course, a premium family SUV needs to be comfortable and spacious. But what happens when the family is asleep? You find an open, twisting stretch of road, and you put your foot down. This is where the Sea Lion 07 aggressively transforms from a luxurious, quiet cruiser into a physics-breaking sports car. The acceleration is not just fast, it is violent, immediate, and utterly relentless. In its all-wheel drive configuration, this spacious family car will launch you from a standstill to 100 kilometers per hour in a blisteringly fast 4.2 seconds. It pushes you back into those comfortable Napa leather seats with the kind of brutal G-force usually reserved for low-slung supercars. But how exactly does a car this spacious and comfortable move so incredibly fast without melting its own internal components? The answer, once again, lies inside that tiny 12-in-1 block. Traditional electric motors from legacy automakers usually max out at around 16,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. If you try to push them any harder than that, the centrifugal forces and the extreme thermal load will physically destroy the internal magnets. BYD's engineers looked at that physical limit and decided it simply wasn't good enough. They engineered a bespoke motor specifically for the Sea Lion 07 that spins at a mind-bending 23,000 RPM. This makes it one of the highest speed mass-produced electric motors on the entire planet. But why go to all this trouble? By achieving these hypercar rotational speeds, BYD can use a physically smaller, much lighter motor to produce massive amounts of horsepower. For the driver behind the wheel, this translates into two massive advantages. First, the car boasts a top speed of 225 kilometers per hour, meaning passing power on the motorway feels absolutely endless. No matter what speed you're doing, there is always a surge of torque waiting for your right foot. Second, and perhaps most importantly for the driving enthusiast, because the motor is so incredibly light, the front end of the car isn't weighed down by a massive chunk of metal. When you throw the Sea Lion 07 into a sharp, speed-demanding corner, it doesn't understeer or feel like a heavy, lumbering electric SUV. It feels agile, precise, and incredibly rewarding to drive. The turn-in response is sharp, and the chassis stays beautifully balanced. You are quite literally getting the interior comfort of a first-class luxury lounge combined with the rotational physics and agility of a hypercar. Let us step away from the spec sheet and talk about the real world. You have a beautiful car. It is incredibly fast, and the family is exceptionally comfortable. But the ultimate, unforgiving test of any electric vehicle is the long-distance family road trip. The biggest anxiety for any EV driver, the thing that keeps people buying petrol cars, is pulling up to a public charging station in the middle of nowhere, in the pouring rain, and realizing it is an old, slow, outdated 400-volt or 500-volt charger. In a normal EV, you are stuck there for hours whilst the kids get restless and angry in the back seat. Legacy automakers love to brag about their ultra-fast 800-volt architectures, which sound fantastic in a press release and are great if you can actually find a premium 800-volt charging station. But BYD understands that the real world isn't a press release. The global charging infrastructure is deeply flawed. The E-Platform 3.0, EVO tackles this infrastructural nightmare with a stroke of pure, unadulterated genius. When you plug the Sea Lion 07 into a standard, older public fast charger, the car doesn't just accept the slow speeds and make you wait. Instead, it uses an internal voltage boosting matrix. utilizing the motor windings and the inverter. The car literally hacks the external charger, stepping up the current internally to force that older station to give you its absolute maximum possible output. This means that whilst other expensive, premium EVs are sitting at the station barely trickling power into their batteries, waiting hours to get back on the road, the Sea Lion 07 is rapidly charging from 10 to 80% in just 25 minutes. They have even fixed the dreaded cold weather problem. If you are taking a road trip in freezing winter conditions, a scenario that normally destroys EV charging speeds, the car uses high-frequency pulses from the electric motor to heat the battery cells from the inside out. It warms the pack up 400% faster than traditional liquid systems, ensuring it can accept a rapid charge no matter the weather. BYD has made sure that the technology serves the driver, completely removing the headache of road trips, eliminating range anxiety, and letting you actually enjoy the journey with your family. Finally, when you are driving your family in a powerful, heavy SUV at motorway speeds, the ultimate luxury isn't the leather or the screens. It is the absolute peace of mind. When you grab the handle and close the doors of the Sea Lion 07, it sounds and feels like a bank vault locking shut. The car feels incredibly solid over bumps, with absolutely no chassis flex, no rattles, and no squeaking interior panels. That feeling of absolute, impenetrable solidity is the final piece of this engineering puzzle. The evolution of BYD's cell-to-body cont, or CTB, technology. In older electric cars, the battery is just a heavy, vulnerable box bolted underneath the floor pan, which can compromise the handling and safety if you hit debris on the road. In the Sea Lion 07, the top cover of the battery pack is literally the floor beneath your feet. The battery casing itself is a highly rigid, load-bearing structural component of the car's skeleton. Because the entire floor of the vehicle is a solid, integrated block of high-strength steel and advanced lithium iron phosphate cells, the torsional rigidity of this crossover is astronomical. It rivals the stiffness of purpose-built, high-end sports cars. This makes the car incredibly safe in the event of a severe impact, providing a massive, reinforced shield for the passenger cabin. It stops the cabin from deforming. Furthermore, because the 12-in-1 motor block is so small and compact, the chassis engineers were able to create much larger, unobstructed crumple zones at the front of the car. If the worst happens, the car has the physical space to absorb and dissipate the kinetic energy before it ever reaches you or your loved ones. The BYD Sea Lion 07 is a masterclass in automotive evolution. It proves, once and for all, that you do not need to sacrifice comfort, space, and luxury to achieve bleeding-edge technical performance. It offers a premium, spacious, and gorgeous global package, whilst secretly housing a 23,000 RPM motor, eliminating useless copper weight, and completely outsmarting broken public charging networks. It is a car designed to make the driver smile, keep the family safe, whilst giving the legacy competition sleepless nights. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the perfect balance of luxury and forensic engineering, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this 12-in-1 masterpiece in the comments below. And I will see you in the next video.